Hey everyone, so here's another video. Had a bunch of these coffee makers, none of them work, and they're so cheap, like 30-40 bucks, just not really worth repairing them to sell. So I decided to take this apart and see what's inside, see what scrap value there is. I'm sure there's some kind of board here, some cables. Let's check it out and see. I've never done this, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. A little reservoir thing over here, screws there. Let's undo the bottom here. I'm guessing this is the main access to the interior. So now, not too complicated opening it up. Pretty simple. Garbage plastic. Oh, and we have some, I guess, some kind of heating element thing in here. So let's continue taking this apart. See what else is inside. More garbage plastic, some screws. I usually let the screws drop and collect them after. Let's see what we have in here. For sure this is the heating element, I guess. That's what it's called. Let's get this little pipe out here. There we go. Some other stuff holding it in here. Not sure why. It's probably cables and whatnot. So, got this heating coil element thing. There's a couple of screws here. Got that out. Cut this a little bit, so I can show you guys how this thing looks. So obviously this definitely is aluminum. A magnet here from a hard drive that I use for testing. Oh no, definitely steel. Oh, look at that, I was definitely wrong. So that kind of sucks, because inside this there's copper tubing all inside here, so not too sure if it's worth cutting up and doing something with it to try to get the copper out. I don't think it's really possible, or at least worth it. I'm curious to know if this would be a copper bearing motor. Wonder if this would fall into that category. So we got this thing. There's a bunch of wiring in here.